everybody, it's Cassie from Helpertech, Burnsville, and I was just going to talk to you about iPad screen repair. So pretty much any iPad can have the screen replaced. Actually, all of them can. There's no pretty much. Every single iPad, Apple iPad, can have the screen replaced on it with minimal effort. So most of those repairs do take about 24 hours to do. Prices can vary. Some, they just need the glass replaced. Some have the LCD, the picture behind, as well as the screen combined. With the screen repair, that does fix any kind of digitizer issues, any touch issues where if it's either completely frozen or maybe it's just tapping things randomly, opening apps, closing apps. That is all part of the screen. For some of those that do also require that have like the LCD and the glass combined, that would fix any discoloration, any black spots, green streaks, anything like that as well. Like I said, those repairs do take about 24 hours to do, but you don't need an appointment. You can just stop any time in our Burnsville store, and we're open Monday through Friday 10 to 6 and Saturday 10 to 3. Otherwise, if you guys have any questions about iPad screen repair, you can give us a call. Phone number is 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice night.